How to split screen in Excel. Have you ever had the task of comparing a large amount of data in Excel? If you want to know a better way to do it, stay till the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, let's take this financial report as an example. As you can see, this report contains a lot of data that we need to compare. To do that, one of the ways that can make it easier for us is the split screen. How can you do that? First of all, we can divide our table by column or row. To divide by row, we will click on the first field in that row, or we will highlight the entire row. Once you've done that, click on the View section. When the section opens, find the Split option and click on it. As you can see, the screen is split, and now we can independently scroll through this table. We can also do that for the column. To do this, select the first field in the column or the entire column and click Split. And that's all. In this way, you can share the screen in Excel and make it easier for yourself to search or compare data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.